In the last 12 months, AI has grown more than it did in the last 10 years. And the new 2025 AI Index report captures something the world has never experienced before: the rise of a digital intelligence that is changing governments, economies, war, education, medicine, and the future of human identity. This is not the future coming. This is the future happening right now. And today, we break down the real numbers, the hidden truths, the global shifts, and the silent power race shaping your world in 2025, the geopolitical power shift. The report begins with something unmistakable. AI is now a measurement of national power, the same way nuclear capability once was. Countries are building enormous computational infrastructures. Governments classify advanced AI systems as national security assets. Nations compete not just for territory, but for data, for talent, for algorithmic dominance. The United States leads in foundational models, defense AI, and private research labs. China dominates large-scale deployment, smart cities, and industrial automation. Europe invests heavily in safe and regulated AI. The Middle East is building AI-driven smart nations from the ground up. And emerging regions, India, Nigeria, Kenya, Vietnam, Brazil, show the highest speed of talent growth. For the first time, power is not measured in armies, but in computation, the industrial transformation. Every industry on Earth is now being reshaped by AI, not slightly, but fundamentally. The 2025 report reveals that AI adoption jumped across logistics and transportation, manufacturing, healthcare, finance, public safety, food production, entertainment, research and science. Factories now run on predictive systems that repair themselves. Trucks deliver goods with precision timing. Hospitals use AI to detect diseases weeks before symptoms appear. Banks rely on AI to stop attacks before they even occur. And in entertainment, AI generates full scenes, storyboards, even entire films. What electricity was to the 1900s, AI is to 2025. The future of work revealed. Millions feared AI would erase jobs. But the report reveals the opposite. AI is transforming work, not eliminating it. Here's the truth. AI is replacing tasks, not humans. Repetitive tasks, tedious tasks, tasks that used to consume hours now take seconds. A new type of worker is emerging. Someone who uses AI the way people once used calculators, computers, or automation. The report shows workers using AI daily are up to 76% more productive. Companies integrating AI into workflow reduce error rates dramatically. Roles involving creativity, judgment, and human insight are rising in demand. AI isn't creating unemployment. AI is creating a new class of superworkers. The economic impact. The global AI economy has become one of the most powerful forces in human history. According to the report, AI-driven markets contributed more economic value in 2025 than entire industries. Supply chains no longer operate manually. They operate on predictive intelligence. Companies no longer guess customer behavior. They model it with precision. Economies no longer react to crises. They detect them in advance. The report predicts that in the next 7 years, AI will be responsible for over 50% of global economic growth. We are entering a world where the most valuable resource is not oil, not gold, but data, the risks and global ethical challenges. But every revolution comes with danger, and the AI Index report highlights risks more severe than any other technology shift in history. Deepfakes now blur truth and lies. AI voice cloning can mimic anyone perfectly. Autonomous cyber weapons can attack without human control. Algorithmic bias can impact legal and financial decisions. Privacy is at its weakest point in decades. The report warns, we must build guardrails or face uncontrollable consequences. AI does not have morality. Humans must supply the ethics. AI in education. Education is experiencing its greatest transformation since the invention of writing. AI tutors now teach millions of students at once, adjusting to each learner's pace, strengths, and weaknesses. Students receive instant feedback, personalized lessons, simulated experiments, career guidance based on strengths. Countries that adopt AI education early will create the strongest future workforce. The only concern? The global digital divide. Will all children have equal access to AI-powered learning? Africa and the rise of emerging nations. One of the most exciting revelations in the 2025 report is the growth of AI in emerging regions. Africa shines as the fastest-growing technology talent zone on the planet. Young innovators solve local challenges with global impact. Drones monitoring crops, AI diagnosing rural diseases, fintech tools enabling secure transactions, logistics AI improving delivery across difficult terrains. A new digital renaissance is rising, and it's happening in places the world once underestimated. The future ahead. The report concludes with a clear message. AI will not slow down. The world will become increasingly interconnected, intelligent, and automated. By 2030, AI will be everywhere. Not visible, but silently running beneath everything, like electricity, smart roads, smart homes, AI-powered healthcare available 24/7, governments that respond instantly, businesses that operate autonomously, personal assistants that learn your life and optimize your world. Closing. The 2025 AI Index report does more than show growth. It reveals the birth of a new civilization powered by intelligence. AI is reshaping countries, industries, economies, and human identity. And the people who learn, adapt, and leverage this technology will shape the future. This is your moment, your era, your future. Welcome to the age of intelligence. Welcome to FutureLens.